Hey, our dearest audience. Today we continue the topic of delicious dishes from the healthiest meats and complementary foods to enhance their nutritional and anti-aging benefits. Number 5. Duck meat. Contains a good balance of monounsaturated fats, which support heart and blood vessels health, rich in selenium and iron for oxidative stress reduction and energy production. Orange glazed duck with roasted vegetables. Oranges contain a lot of vitamin C, which enhances iron absorption from duck. You need 2 duck breasts, 1 juiced and zested orange, tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1 cup sliced carrots, 1 cup halved Brussels sprouts. Preheat oven to 375 degrees. Score duck skin and sear in a hot pan, skin side down for 4 or 5 minutes. Flip and sear the other side for 2 minutes. Mix orange juice, zest, honey, soy sauce, and ginger to create a glaze. Brush glaze over the duck and roast in the oven for 10-12 minutes. Toss carrots and Brussels sprouts with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast alongside the duck for 20 minutes. Duck stir-fry with bok choy and garlic. Bok choy contains antioxidants and wide variety of vitamins and minerals, which are beneficial for thyroid function, heart, and bone health, thereby enhancing the health benefits of duck meat. You need 1 pound sliced duck breast, 2 cups chopped bok choy, 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons water. Heat sesame oil in a wok and sear duck slices for 3-4 minutes. Remove and set aside. Add garlic and bok choy to the wok, stir-frying for 5 minutes. Return duck to the wok. Add soy sauce and cornstarch mixture. Cook until sauce thickens. Number 6. Grass-fed lamb. A great source of zinc for immune health and collagen production, as well as conjugated linoleic acid, which supports fat metabolism and muscle health. Grass-fed lamb contains more of these key substances than conventionally raised lamb. Herb-crusted lamb chops with mint sauce. Yogurt's probiotics aid digestion, and mint offers anti-inflammatory effects. Take 4 lamb chops, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh rosemary, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon olive oil, ½ cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh mint, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Rub lamb chops with rosemary, garlic, and olive oil. Sear in a hot pan for 2 minutes per side, then roast in the oven for 10 minutes. Mix yogurt, mint, and lemon juice for the sauce. Serve alongside the lamb. Slow-cooked lamb with rosemary and sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene and fiber, promoting skin health and digestion, while rosemary's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds enhance overall well-being. You need 2 pounds lamb shoulder, trimmed and cut into chunks, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 chopped large onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, 3 peeled and cut into chunks medium sweet potatoes, 2 peeled and sliced carrots, 2 cups low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth, ½ cup red wine, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh rosemary leaves, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, ½ teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat oven to 325 degrees. Season the lamb chunks with salt and pepper. Heat the olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the lamb chunks until browned on all sides, about 3-4 minutes per side. Remove and set aside. In the same skillet, sauté the onions and garlic until softened. Transfer them to the Dutch oven. Add the sweet potatoes, carrots, broth, wine, rosemary, cumin, and smoked paprika. Place the lamb on top, ensuring it's partially submerged in the liquid. Cook for 2 to 3 hours until the lamb is tender and the vegetables are soft. Number 7. Venison, deer meat. Low in fat and high in iron, it helps maintain healthy blood cells and energy levels. Contains a variety of essential amino acids that support muscle and tissue repair. Venison steak with garlic mashed cauliflower. The vitamin C in cauliflower enhances iron absorption from venison, maximizing its benefits. You need 2 venison steaks, 4 tablespoon olive oil, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon chopped rosemary, 1 medium head cauliflower, salt and pepper to taste. Rub venison steaks with olive oil, garlic, rosemary, salt and pepper. Let marinate for at least 30 minutes. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the steaks for 3 or 4 minutes on each side for medium rare or longer to your desired doneness. Let rest for 5 minutes before slicing. Cut cauliflower into florets. Steam or boil until tender, about 10 minutes. In a skillet, sauté garlic in olive oil until fragrant. Blend cauliflower with the sautéed garlic. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Place the venison steak slices over a generous scoop of garlic mashed cauliflower. Garnish with fresh rosemary if desired. Venison chili with beans and tomatoes. Tomatoes add lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, while beans provide fiber and protein for a well-rounded meal. Take 1 pound ground venison, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 diced onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 can drained and rinsed kidney or black beans, 1 cup beef or vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, ½ teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add ground venison and cook until browned, breaking it apart with a spoon. Remove and set aside. In the same pot, sauté onions and garlic until softened for 3-4 minutes. Return the venison to the pot. Stir in diced tomatoes, beans, broth, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, salt and pepper. Cover and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. Ladle chili into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro if desired. Number 8. Bison, buffalo meat. A lean source of protein with less fat and cholesterol than beef, bison supports heart health and muscle growth. Rich in selenium and B vitamins, it helps combat oxidative stress and enhances energy metabolism. Grilled bison burgers with avocado and spinach. Spinach provides iron and folate, while avocado's healthy fats boost nutrient absorption. You need 1 pound ground bison, 1 sliced avocado, 1 cup fresh spinach leaves, 2 whole grain burger buns, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon black pepper and salt to taste. Mix ground bison with garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. Shape into patties. Grill patties over medium heat for 3-4 minutes per side. Assemble the burger with spinach, avocado slices, and grilled patties on whole grain buns. Bison meatballs with tomato sauce and zucchini noodles. Zucchini's vitamin C enhances iron absorption, and tomato sauce adds lycopene, an antioxidant. Take 1 pound ground bison, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cups tomato sauce, 2 spiralized zucchinis, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. Mix bison, breadcrumbs, egg, Parmesan, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. Form into small meatballs. Cook meatballs in a skillet over medium heat until browned, about 8 minutes. Simmer meatballs in tomato sauce for 10 minutes. Serve over zucchini noodles. We will continue reviewing many other foods' benefits in next releases, so subscribe this channel and press the bell icon not to miss updates. This will also be a great help in the development of this project. Many thanks for watching.